Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here, back with video number 7 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. Can you believe it's already been a week since I started this? It's crazy. It's like I feel like it was just yesterday that I just I just started with video 1, and then already I'm like a week into this thing. It's like crazy how fast time flies. But anyways, so this video in particular, I'm gonna be focusing a lot on, creating more content for TikTok. I'll of course show you exactly what I have, of course, created a bit later in the day. And then, of course, one thing that I'll also be doing is I will start uploading these videos to YouTube. So here's a fun fact about, my channel, right? So this is something that I've been doing since like the very beginning of like when I first started my channel. I always had it to where if I was making, for example, like videos every single week, or if I had like, 3 videos per week, 5 videos per week, or if I was doing daily videos, I would always have it to where I have videos recorded a week in advance before I start uploading them. And so the reason why I did that is because I found it easier to, of course, stay on track when I had it like that, right? So I decided with this series, I started filming it a week prior to. So like, I'm filming this video like right now, but you're seeing this like a week later after I film this. And so I do this because it helps me kind of make sure that, I'm, building up some momentum first before I, of course, start uploading the videos. And I just find that it helps me kind of keep everything like on track, that type of stuff. And so this way, when I have all the videos kind of, already recorded, then I could simply start, uploading them and kind of get, okay, I'm going to upload this video today and then, next video tomorrow. And yeah, so I have pretty much all that figured out. The only thing that I'm still kind of like, kind of on the fence about is I'm kind of like trying to decide right now whether I want to outsource the editing or if I want to do it myself, because currently right now, like filming these videos and of course doing all the other stuff, it does take up a lot of my time throughout the day, and there's that plus work. So it's like, these two things that I'm doing. And so I'm kind of debating like, do I want to outsource the editing or do I want to, maybe do it myself? So I'm still trying to figure that out, but as of right now, it just just a one man team. But I'll just kind of put this out there: if you watching this video, if you happen to be good at video editing, or if you happen to know someone else that is good with video editing, let me know, and maybe potentially we could, work something out. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get right into today's agenda, and I'll see you in a bit. Take care. Alrighty, let's see what's on the menu. I don't know why I felt like doing that. Anyway, so yeah, so I'll kind of show. So this is kind of my agenda that I have kind of right here. And so the first thing I did this morning, right before I started filming, is I did this like meditation thing, basically. So there's this channel that I'm subscribed to called Choosing Gratitude. This is their channel right here, and so I've been following her videos for quite a few years now. Actually, there's of course there's tons of channels like in this like law of attraction space and about manifesting and like with like these guided meditations, and there's tons of them out there. This one I've always personally been a fan of. I always like the style of her videos, and I find that a lot of her videos do help from time to time. So like she has like these like meditation, like morning meditation videos. Like I was listening to this just earlier today actually. Like it's like this 11:11 time audio right there. And you basically just like listen. It's like basically like this sort of like binaural beats noise. You listen to it, and there's like sort of like messages kind of like deeply infused into it. And I guess like if you listen to it consistently, it actually like helps you kind of like get into that right mindset to, of course, attract like sales, more customers, and more clients, and that type of stuff. And so I know that for some people, like when they hear about this, is like, oh, like that sounds like like woo 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 stuff or whatever. And so I was always kind of that same like for that same type of way, like for majority of my life. But I do find that this type of stuff does help from time to time because for me, like it helps kind of get in the right mindset. And it's all about being in that right mindset consistently to kind of help yourself be productive throughout the day, right? So that's why I like to, of course, do this type of thing. But I'll go ahead and check this off right here. Begin filming for the day. I'm going to check that off. Journal for 5 minutes. This I haven't done yet. Listen to The Strangest Secret. This is another audio that I've been listening to, that I started listening to daily. So that's Definitely one I might talk about a little bit more in a different video. But of course, after this, I'm going to get into creating content for TikTok. I'm going to add some more emails to the broadcast queue. So you see me do that in, I believe, one of the previous videos. I kind of talked about, like, adding more emails in there. So I'm going to be, of course, doing that. Of course, showing you my results with that. And then I'm going to start attempting to put together these previous YouTube videos that I filmed, and I'm going to get them on YouTube, and I'm going to try and, get as many of them scheduled out at once, so that if they're all scheduled in advance, and of course helps. And then, of course, attend this training that I missed last Monday, and I will use the MLGS system again. So that's pretty much my agenda for today, and I will let you know exactly how this goes. Take care and see you in a bit. Now 1:38 p.m. precisely, about 1:38 p.m. precisely, and I wanted to give you a bit of an update throughout the day just to show exactly what I've got done and the sort of results that are coming in so far for today, right? So I got a little bit done today, and I want to kind of show some of the stats from that real quick. So I just uploaded a couple videos to TikTok today. I think this is I think these two right here that I just posted earlier today. And so one of them is like here's a fun reminder for the day, basically just saying like do what you want on video and kind of just post what makes you feel comfortable. Don't worry about haters. This one is a stitch of a girl who like sold her piss online basically and made like 15K doing that. So this video was previously stitched by one of my friends here named Rita, and she got like almost 2 million views from that video itself. I believe it's like our most viewed video on here, and so I thought that was pretty crazy. So I thought, why not do a video similar to that and kind of see what I can maybe add to of course what Rita's done right here, right? So that's pretty much what I did with this video, and I gave a call to action for people to like, follow, comment, and so I'll kind of see where this goes. So this might blow up maybe sometime within the next day or maybe later today. But one other thing that I will show here is so in I have I mentioned that I was using like the MLG system to of course get more leads. And so I sent out this yesterday, as you see in the previous video, to 1,200 people. And so far with this, 171 opened, 15 people clicked on the link, which it was a link to my opt-in page that I built with Kartra. So I'm using this as more of like a traffic source rather than using this as another autoresponder, and that's kind of how I've kind of decided to look at it. I've heard other people saying that if you export these leads and put them into your autoresponder, they apparently don't like that, and I guess a lot of these people are known to hit the spam button or something like that. So I only want to target people on here that actually show interest and they opt in to my list, so that they're like giving permission, like, yes, I do want to hear from you, right? So I got 15 clicks to my opt-in page link, and I got one lead, which funnily enough, if we open that up here, it was actually me when I was testing out my funnel. So unfortunately, I don't have any leads to show as of yet, but this I know went up over time throughout a couple days. So I'm expecting this one to, of course, get more opens as in the next few days. So I'm gonna keep using this consistently, see what type of results I get from it. If I start to get opt-ins, if I start to get sales, I will be sure to show that on here. I'll keep you updated on that. But anyways, what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to work on getting some emails in the broadcast queue, and then after that, I will work on editing my first few videos in this series that I'll of course be uploading on this channel. So see you in a bit. Hey, it's Arie here. I've got quite an exciting update to share with you. Something really amazing happened, and this was completely unplanned. Didn't plan this at all, and that's the beauty of this series. Nothing in these videos is planned, nothing scripted. I'm showing you my live results as they come in, and I just want to show you exactly what just happened, right? So check this out. All right, so here I am working on my emails, right? I'm putting some broadcast emails into place, right? And so I'm working on this. I get a notification that was, a $20 commission, which I thought was pretty cool, as you could see right here. And so just a few minutes after, check this out. This is like 3:24. It's like 3:37 now that I'm filming this, but 3:24, I got this notification that was $20 that I just got, which I thought was pretty cool. And then a couple minutes later, I got this other one that was $180, which is pretty dope, right? So as you could see, I'm trying not to hide, I'm trying not to show the person's name right there that bought, but $20 right there, and then $180 that I got right there just within a few minutes of, while I was working on my email. I've officially hit my income goal for both today and tomorrow, and of course, if I can keep this going, for an entire month straight, if I can maybe get, like a high ticket sale, $1,000 or 2,000, and that will of course cover the $100 per day threshold for multiple days in a row, right? So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna kind of like see kind of like what my like I'm gonna take like the total earnings of like a month, and I'm gonna kind of like average it out to like earnings per day, and I'm gonna see exactly where I'm at kind of like at the end of this month. Also next month as well, I'll be doing that. But anyways, this is quite exciting. So with this itself here, I'm gonna consider today to be a huge success, and I'm definitely looking forward to perhaps doing another update maybe later today, just to kind of give like an overall here's how today went. And anyways. Yeah, it's quite exciting, so see you a bit later. Alright, so it's currently about 12 a.m. here, and I'd say today went by really good overall. I made the $200 that you seen earlier today. I got a pretty good amount of leads today. I think it was like around 15 was what I got today. So still not at that 30 per day threshold with leads yet. I'm still kind of working my way up, still kind of figuring out the MLGS system and also TikTok. Still building up momentum on there, but I am expecting lead count to, of course, go up sometime within the next few days, right? So I have the video that I posted today that, will probably go viral. It was getting lots of traction today. It still hasn't got, like, to the, like, takeoff point yet, I guess is the word I'll use here. But it did seem like it was picking up some momentum, and it's very likely that maybe tomorrow or maybe the next day it'll of course start to be shown to more people, right? So definitely looking forward to seeing how that goes, and looking forward to of course sharing my results as they come in live. Anyways, if you want to be notified of future videos in the series, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and take care. See you in the next one.